Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix JBL speaker no sound. So basically what you'll need to do is go to Bluetooth settings on your phone, and right here you'll see that you can select on your Bluetooth JBL speaker and make sure it is turned on, and this is turned on, so make sure the sound is turned on your phone. And if it is still doesn't work, we can move to the JBL speaker itself. So basically right here what you'll need to do is turn on your speaker and hold one finger on plus icon and another on the Bluetooth and hold it like for the 3 seconds, 1 2 3, something like this, and it automatically turns off, and that means we did now a hard reset. After that you can turn your speaker on and you'll hear this beeping sound that it wants to connect to a Bluetooth, and you can check it now if you hear any sound. If you don't hear any sound, what you can do is hold on this play button and plus button for the 10 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and as you can see it turns off and basically turn on. And check it now. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.